Okay, so this is plain old me. I am Joshua D1000's sister. Name is Kimberly, and I think I have been inspired by the Shea Loss community, and I think I'm going to start my own channel and detail and video log my weight loss story and well current story because I started off at the highest was in the 330s. I don't know because the scale wouldn't go that high. Um, but right now I'm currently down to like 282 and took a lot of work. So that's like 50 some pounds. um, and just this year alone, I have lost 17 point something pounds. I'm not sure. But I have started this new program called the 6 Week Body Makeover, and unfortunately, it is customized to your own body type, and the exercise plan is even customized to your body type. So it's not something that I can really share with everyone unless you're my same exact body type and everything. So I really wish I could share all the details and everything like that, but it may not work for you. So I just, I guess I will just I don't know. I guess I will just log how much I've lost and try to support and uh, and comment on people and their videos if they so choose to subscribe to me and I subscribe to them and yeah. So if you like Joshua and you find you don't like me, I will not be upset because I know that I'm boring compared to him. He is funny and inspirational and just an all around good guy, and I'm shy when it comes to this kind of stuff. So, anyway, yeah, I will let everyone know on my brother's site when I finally do start my own page and give you the links. Thanks, guys.